We are strapped into the trailer. That just means it's another car show. But this is a good one, guys. This is the Ocean City and the Summer Cruise. So, looking forward to this one. Alright guys, here we are. There's the truck. There's the trailer. We just arrived to our place in Ocean City for the car show. Today is Tuesday. The show actually starts tomorrow as Wednesday and goes all the way through the Sunday. And yeah, we're getting ready to get the Dreamsicle off, the 55 Chevy out of here, and start our week. So waiting on some of my buddies to come down. Man, we're gonna have a good week, so I hope you stick around for this. Alright, before we get started, let me just tell you what happened. Let me turn this camera around. So apparently on the ride down, my vent cover blew off. And of course it's raining. So even though the car is in the trailer, she's getting wet. All right, we're starting out good. It's only a vent cover, so we'll be fine. Got two of them off. Just setting up the trailer. We're gonna head up to the convention center and start the week.
Your mileage coming down.
Money rolling in here. So that up top there looks like a Javelin. Can't really see it very well. But we got 3100. And on this one, looks like maybe a old Land Rover. Pretty nice, huh? Bringing the Javelin AMX off of this bad boy. Can't wait to see this one come out. So this is a Pierre Cardin edition, which is quite rare. And it's going back to all stock.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video.
What up, Steve? Steve's truck. Look at the tires on that mother boy. Yeah, buddy. He runs his truck all over. Awesome, buddy. All right. 68. Freddie. An awesome car. Oh yeah, that's nice. Can we give out all them cool trophies? And the 50-50 is what I'm more interested in. It's over $700. So I will take that.